And here, yen and choice are brand here, friend Bongo ideas. Please for the far no. Ahomachi 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Confirmed by a family member, a sister. Or say Omo Dahwa na Omo T Didi wa brand here no. What him say a family house. Na I say Didi kakra. Omo bo picture, omo sorry NHS. Omo share please for a brand here na dan ho ahia. Na your trainee PA. See, also now almost a police uniform. Also some men in police uniform. Ti I was your phone both pion no some say na other day asem oman chim and one say here no police station. Na busu your phone say and your montre baby potty anka modern echo. Nanka yensi sade chion sense ye be di achiro. Also omo ye please for na nche baby omo de neko. Ti omo ye say please for na catch omo say hia omo de a omo mfa taxi no achiri. Eni achiri. Ti in the course of akasa the police for no crack catch omo say so omo anwe yi a e kwa omo de omo be fa so na enya asem keto enya fedi agro. Ti e ma omo nso lelo. Ti omo nso hunu say enye dan a ya che ne de. Eye baby omote no ho station omo de neko. Also omo de achire kodru area ho police station omo ko NHS. Police oye in charge chere say omo nya a case of such. Also omo a couple of police stations wa Accra ni nyina no to no avail. To Sabra no kasa dia brand here Bongo ideas is nowhere to be found. A chere say busuafo no omo etete oma memo ne wo famo ne sisters mo ne ade omo tete question na me busa me ho ne se inti abranti no wo sisters wo ma me e wo fa no ena bra wo sha ase de na omo ye fa ho. Another question pop up. Question bi me sa be di me question na chi kire se Kojo Mitu e se me ya ade na se me ma me ka na se me si me mfi na wonti me nchekere me. Inti it may be kura se bia. Na abusuan ne kan nipa ba ku mienu miensa bi be hu abusuan no makasa brand ade a wo yi emwa. Panyimfo so bi okobra wu no onsuro so de osompa fen nam. Inti ebetumi abasa brand na ntie because said ye kura na ewa akire na ye yem hyehye ma Bongo ideas no e ma said me kan o me video me be video e kai cause o hwe ensema na brand ne ka the response to ankofo a omo ekọ yaw bi mu ekọ haw bi mu a to da na me busa mo say ya brand ya de oni like oni feel the man nipa na Empanyimfo say atwapere ada. Yenwe because na yen hunu dia na yesa kiranya de obenya bill because a weekend. Ti Saturday, Sunday, Monday ye hwe yempa ibone say dia branch na ye bia no. Omo mfa nche no. Na megidi say we na ba ma ne ho apo. Na wajai. Ne sister Zion fellas ne sister edi nkomo. E ho na menya da information ni. Ti memi akọ na wakotie bi. And some ne sister de to Zion fellas ani mu abra na one no e twetwe nkomo wo phone so.
Hello, yeah, good afternoon.
What is I? Would you want to mention your name?
No.
Okay.
I wouldn't want to.
Okay, Mpacho, what is it? And also, oye any day.
Okay, so the Bongo ideas means.
Okay.
Me my last born.
Okay.
Me myself, I didn't know. I only found out recently when I went to the family meeting. So I heard, not like I heard, I was there this morning around 2 a.m. Some men came into the house. They were dressed in police attire. door and they entered and they just dragged him out. They said they were taking him to the police station. We asked them, police station, they stopped us from following them. They said we should look for a taxi. As at 2 a.m., we were not getting any taxi. So I pleaded with one of them to at least tell us where they are taking him to. So that when they break, we can come there. The man refused. And then they took him. We've gone to Soto police station, a couple of police stations. Almost everywhere we visited, they are saying they've not received such a case. Nobody has been brought there. So now we don't know where they've taken him to. His lines are not connecting. We can't reach him. Since 2 a.m. till now, we don't know where Bongo Ideas is.
Okay. Now, Oman can't adequate I'm picking it up.
They didn't say anything. They didn't say anything. I was trying to even tell one of them that without cash in share. We don't know what the person has done. The man didn't say anything. He was not telling us that if you don't keep quiet, then they dragged him out, put him in the car, and then they just drove off.
What kind of car? Police car or private car or taxi hailing?
It was a private car, sort of, yes, private car. And another car, I know to say, truck, 4x4, they train a fine woman in there.
Man who number plate now?
No, I'm taking notice of number plates.
So
everything happened in a rush.
But like, did they went into the room like unlocking and I said I don't get it?
We don't even know how the whole thing happened. No, we heard noise because as at 2 a.m. there, Obiada. So it was the noise that woke us up. Then we came out and then we saw them. They didn't give us any explanation. They didn't say anything. They just took him away.
Now,
in the family house too. It's just my sick grandmother, Bongo Ideas mom, and then one or two people be. That's all.
Now, Marco Police Headquarters.
Yeah, me uncle say Marco Police Headquarters back. And beside baby, on the day I'll call you. I see also call you. No, I'm case be way. So one of the police officers no catch and say, "Omumbra rage." Now omumbe check you home. So omumba rage. That's almost say, receiving case behind there. Then they don't know what else they can do.
Okay, and how is Bongo Ideas' mother's condition right now after this issue?
How is what?
Her mother's also on
We are all anxious. Like we are all anxious. And can you baby on modern call? And I am calling at least no come no. You can't calm me down, Kakra. But here lies the case. We don't know where they took him to. That is our fear.
Okay, Mate. All right. Mate, thank you very much. We report it and see what we about of it. All right.
I can show you. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Areho, because etoda. Yes, what our bonia, what you didn't see. Oh, wow, bonia, what to baby binka. And only had done and what you didn't see. Maybe I need a boarding. Nyasu Messibana. To wow, bonia, what you didn't see. Akobanisa. The Benny day. Said a make an empire bonia and said, ye be jaino, no, so the lesson. And to Nkwala no more banner. Woman penny for attempt the DSC woman is no. There be a Mekasa Assemba, Obin Casa criticize it. But criticism no, a guma hodo. O criticize you be. Biti send the air coso, mem light your dundum, ye dum no, ye money palman. You bet me a catcher, obet me asher camera in him. I can't drum as a like a dear you we are Sabian send him. Because Cedrusa will be light bill. Now to me bonkai dear. I don't know be doing the monkai. As a young send him. Tanu bibis our count to quaint. But so said that you be at us yet dinner time. Mammy Penny weighs 73 years old, dear war champua. Hey, now being in a drew 40 years of crime, you know, Abru. Umi show you 25, 26 grano. Be a friend of Babinya. Unyem fear aduanan no abre. The money make house a Jew pay money transfer. Who Canada, who Europe, person send this Kabagana and Quadia. But more than download it. Who they send this kind of a patch using me promo code no Djka and the Guanimono. Who you saw never when yes can be account account. You send your brand again and so I enter the capre. Download it. Jew pay app no. The free no you see. Subscribe to channel on sunset. Update be a baby piano. Me the bro. Me that say. Bye bye.